Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a Chipotle meal that I'm going to be eating, and I'm also going to show you guys what I purchased from Elf. So it just arrived. This is the Chipotle collaboration, obviously, and I ordered everything with the exception of the bag, and I think that was it. I got everything. One thing I want to mention is that when my package arrived, it just has a little bit of this, like, this is all it has in there to protect the eyeshadow palette. I was seriously, like, freaking out that my eyeshadow palette was going to arrive broken. I really wish that... It's not broken, by the way. But I wish that they were more careful, like, more thoughtful when it comes to packaging an eyeshadow palette. Because we know that a lot of the times when we receive eyeshadow palettes, they arrive broken. And, they just didn't put much thought into the packaging. Like, look at this. The box is basically, like, empty. They just threw a couple of this little crinkled paper in there, and I guess that was enough. Like I said, thankfully it arrived okay. If you guys didn't know, when you receive your confirmation email, on the email, it gives you a little coupon code for free chips and guac. So that's what I got here. I also got, I ordered a bowl with them. Let me show you guys, because yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, so for my bowl, I got a chicken bowl with cauli rice, which cauli rice is cauliflower rice. It's new to the menu, so you're probably not going to see cauli rice on this palette. I'll show you what I mean shortly. I also got extra fajitas, chicken, mild tomato sauce, and medium green sauce, sour cream, and lettuce. And then as far as the eyeshadow palette goes, you guys can see that this is the same exact layout as you guys see on the menu at Chipotle. Like I said, the cauliflower rice is new, so you're not going to see it on this here. But we have the lettuce, the guac, green salsa, hot salsa, corn salsa, mild salsa, pinto beans, sofritas, black beans, fajita, white rice, and brown rice. Okay, so let me take a quick little bite. Let me see how this tastes. So good. Delicioso. I don't know why that just came to mind as I was like eating. But anyway. Let's go ahead and get started with a makeup tutorial.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you instead of alone in your room. Slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
First off, how adorable is this? So it's a duo sponge set. Into a little avocado. I've never had a flat side to a beauty sponge, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be really good for my foundation. This one, I'm going to be using it for under the eye area, and also when I apply my concealer on my eyes before my eyeshadow, I always like blending it out with a little mini sponge, so that it's perfect for that. So let's do that, because we're going to start with eyeshadow first. If you guys see food in my mouth, well, you guys know I'm eating. So let me go ahead and apply some of this Benefit Boing concealer, and let's blend, blend, blend. I have never tried Elf beauty sponges up until recently. I did a full face using only Elf because my best friend told me that their sponges are really, really good, and I completely agree with her. These are super, like, squishy, and you don't even have to wet it. And so that's why I really liked it, and there we go. There is our base for our eyeshadow. So I'm probably going to try to use as many of these eyeshadows from the palette as possible, just so that we all get a feel for the eyeshadow palette and how it performs. So I'm taking the color... Damn it, I removed the plastic and there's no name. I'm pretty sure it's black beans. Yeah, I'm going to take black beans, which is the darkest brown. And I'm just going to begin packing it on. I mean, they should have just done a black eyeshadow for black beans, right? The intensity of this brown is not completely there. I think once I start blending it out, it's going to look a lot lighter. So just packing it on for now. And I'm gonna start kind of like blending the edges out very lightly. And as you guys can see, I am experiencing some fallout. No biggie though. That's why I always start with my eyeshadow first. And then now I'm gonna go into, where is the paper again? This is annoying. I wish the names were on the palette. But I should remember this, right? So we're taking pinto beans and we're just gonna apply it, overlapping that other previous brown shade. We'll come back into it. Just making sure the edges are pretty well blended out. And we are gonna go back into black beans because as you guys can see, it's kind of like where'd it go? Where'd you go? I miss you so. What is going on here? Quite a bit of kickback inside of these eyeshadows. So let me go back into black beans and see if we can build up on this color, blend out the edges a little bit more. See, girl, I don't know, it's not that intense. Maybe they were scared of creating a black shade because they knew it wasn't going to be like super pigmented like this brown. Come on, we gotta make it work. This food though, it's been like looking at me like, come on girl, I'm getting cold. I kind of had a brilliant idea. I'm gonna take my crease out. I haven't done that in a while. So I'm just going out here. I don't know how people can watch those eating videos, you know? But I'm like, I should try it. I did go back into black beans and I'm just dragging this color all the way out. Now I'm taking some micellar water and I'm gonna just go ahead and put it inside the cap. I'm also gonna take a Q-tip and just dip it in there. Let me just go ahead and clean off my eyeshadow from my eyelid. And just take it all the way out. I'm also going to take a makeup wipe because we did experience some fallout. I'm going to go ahead and just clean up. Hold on, girl. I'm almost done with this. So good. Can't chew and do this at the same time. Sometimes I love you more than you'll ever know. I'm not liking how that's looking. I want to use the green shade, which is, I think, lettuce. Is it lettuce? No, it's guac. We're going to go into guac. Okay, so going into guac, I'm just going to begin by packing on this color. And we got to make sure we're staying underneath the crease. Just like that. And then we're going to add another shade next to this one. I kind of want to go lighter. I hope this one's lighter. I kind of swatched it already. This one here is called Green Salsa. With Green Salsa, I'm going to be applying it right next to it. It's kind of brown, kind of green. Like, it shifts in color. It's pretty. It's like a duochrome, I guess. Okay, perfect. And now I want to go into that gold yellow, which it's called Corn Salsa. And I'm just going to place it right next to it. Perfect. And last but not least, I want to take white rice. And I'm using the same exact brush. I'm just kind of like cleaning it off on my lap. I have a makeup towel. And I'm just going to be applying it right out here. And you guys will see this look tie together as I'm doing my face makeup. It's going to clean everything really nicely. I wanted to go lighter because we already have really, like, we have the intensity right in that crease area, and I don't want it to look weird. So I hope I'm making sense with what I'm doing to you guys. On my lash line, I just applied the CoverGirl Electric Green eyeliner. And we're going to move over to, I kind of want to use the green shade. I'm going to use the color Lettuce, which is this one right here. Trust the process, okay? I'm looking a little bit crazy. We are going to go into the color Black Beans once again, and I'm going to apply it right at this bottom outer corner. And slowly blending it inwards towards Lettuce. What is the next collection you guys are most excited about? Because I'm going to tell you what mine is. I hope, I'm actually on ColourPop's PR list, and I'm super excited about the Lizzie Mcguire collection. I grew up loving Lizzie Mcguire, so I'm hoping I get it tomorrow. I keep checking my P.O. box, and it has not arrived, but if it doesn't arrive tomorrow, I'm going to be ordering it on Friday when it launches. But wish me luck, guys, because I need to have that collection. And I know a lot of people are going to want that collection as well because Lizzie Mcguire was an icon. I'm going to do the other eye off of camera, put some mascara, some lashes, and I'm going to come back and work on complexion with the other sponge and also apply the lip gloss. I'm back now, and I'm going to go ahead and apply some foundation. I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation, and I'm using the shade Buff. I'm going to be taking the little avocado beauty sponge, and I'm going to just apply my foundation. So I recently got my septum pierced. So if you guys, sometimes when I tilt my head back, you guys might see it. I'm going to keep it inside my nose until it gets healed. They told me it's going to take about 2 to 3 weeks. So I don't want to mess with it. And since I do apply foundation on and wear makeup, I don't want to be getting makeup on it and just like moving it around too much. So that's why I have it tucked away for now. But I am super excited about it. I gotta be a little extra gentle around my nose now because I forget that I have it, and then I just like bump my nose. I'm like, ah! I'm using the sponge dry, by the way. What I'm noticing is that when I apply this foundation with a sponge, it doesn't look as full coverage as opposed to like me using a brush. I mean, it looks okay. Maybe I just have to apply more foundation. Okay, now I'm going in with my concealer. Right in there, and I'm going to take the little mini sponge. And I am going to kind of clean this area up a little bit. Okay, so I'm basically done with using the sponges. I'm going to go ahead and skip over applying some setting powder and contour, blush, highlighter, and all of that stuff. And I'm going to come back and try on the lip gloss with you guys. Okay, now we're going into Hot Salsa. This is the gloss that's a part of the collection. It's the e.l.f. Chipotle collection you didn't know you were waiting for. This lip gloss will have your palette looking plumped and spicy. In conclusion, you'll look fire. Apply to lips as often as desired. Wear alone or on top of lip color. This tastes like hot tamales. Have you guys tried those? Ooh. Ooh, this is definitely... I feel like I just put a jalapeno onto my lips right now. I love it. Okay, so that wraps it up for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This full cut crease that I never really do. I almost feel like I need to apply a little bit more of that white rice color. Where's my... Oh, can't find my palette here. And just like right in here. Like that. Ooh, I like that. Okay, now we're done. This is the completed look. I hope you guys like it. I definitely like the shades. I was kind of feeling like that brown needed to be a little bit more brown, but now that I've applied the rest of the shades, the intensity is definitely there. I just love the olives and the yellow, and these shimmers here also look really pretty. I want to do a smoky eye with this eyeshadow palette and maybe apply some of these at the inner corner. I think that would look really, really pretty. So make sure you guys do follow me on my other platforms, on Instagram and TikTok. That's where I post most of my tutorials. So if you guys want to see other looks using this eyeshadow palette, just make sure you check out my other social media handles, which are linked down below in the description box. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Thank you for being here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!